Imagine if you're an undergraduate and you're working in let's say a retail store and you have a dream of becoming a teacher or becoming someone, but you don't have the capacity to pay for training or to go to school or whatnot. Those opportunities should be given to people who have passion. But right now, passion is not enough. Yes. Because you need money. Yes. And that's where the problem is. How can we make sure that we support our people where training and development would always be available to them no matter what?